Hey guys, we're at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a 2015 Kia Optima. Came with an original stereo, but it didn't have Apple CarPlay. It was a smaller screen. He did have an Infinity audio system and steering wheel controls. Let me show you how we integrated it. So, this is the Optima. If you happen to have one, then you'll know that you can have volume and station controls just like this on the steering wheel. So on the steering wheel, you have volume up, volume down, station up, station down. We also have phone answer and end and voice control. We retained all of these controls. The radio the customer had before was this one right here. Significantly smaller screen. Although it had a backup camera, that's pretty much all it had going for it. Now, the new Kenwood stereo, as you can see in the dash, it looks like it belongs here. We did keep our backup camera working, so as soon as we put the car in reverse, see that beautiful camera on there. And with the new stereo, we have Apple CarPlay. With Apple CarPlay, we can talk to Siri and do voice control. We can also do all our music, our messaging, our maps right on here. The Kenwood stereo also has a really nice wiki, they call it. So you can kind of adjust things to your liking. You can drag and drop different icons in different locations. So it's a super slick device. Hey Siri, take me to Avenue Sound in Freeport. Turn the volume up a little bit. But now, she's going ahead and taking me there. Again, this is done here at Avenue Sound. Visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Twitter. Thank you.